Hey guys, hi! Today I'm again here with a new tutorial on quilled jhumkas. These are what I'm talking about. These are quilled paper jhumkas, and I made these with paper. This one is a turquoise, red and orange color combination. This is a multicolored color combination like blue, yellow, pink and green. And this one, like I showed you, is done with pink and blue color. So these are the jhumkas that I was talking about. In order to make these jhumkas, you really need a very little materials. You will need quilling paper, and the size of my quilling paper is 2mm. The thing that I noticed when I was making these jhumkas was that the best size of paper that you need for your jhumkas was 2mm. Over than 2mm, you can use 3mm, 4mm, but not over 4mm, because if you use more above the size of 4mm, your jhumkas will get heavier, and you don't want a heavy jhumka on your earrings. Okay, so 2mm paper. The jhumka I'm going to show you is with yellow and blue. Then you will need a quilling mold. Let me show you how it looks. Okay, so this is my quilling mold, and you will need a quilling pen, glue, pliers, cutters, scissors, and an eye pin, and ear wire or ear hook. So these are the list of materials that you will need to make this jhumka. So let me show you how to do it. Take 6 strips of paper, 3 from each color, and what I did was I joined each of the colors to each other. I'll show you by doing one more. I have actually done the gluing part. Added a tiny bit of glue to the end of one strip. Take the other strip and just put it on the one which is glued. Hold it for a few seconds. You can count like 1, 2, 3, 4, press on it, and 5, and that's it. It's done. Okay. Now, holding on to one side of your strip, I'm going to show you how to make the coil. Use your quilling pen, put one strip in between the quilling pen, and then start rolling. Okay. Make sure that the coiling of the paper is really stiff, and just keep on rolling until the whole of the 6 strips are coiled. Make sure that it stays even. Okay. When I'm rolling, I'm going to tell you something. When I first made a jhumka, the problem I saw was my jhumkas were lengthier. Okay, they were a little bigger in height, like this one here. It is a little bit lengthier in height than this one. Okay. In order to make these type of jhumkas, I had to order my quilling mold. Without the quilling mold, you could not possibly make a round dome-shaped jhumka. So you need to buy. I got it from eBay India, and it was only ₹99, which was less than less than $2 if you buy it from ebay.com. Well, I don't know the current price of eBay worldwide, but I know the price of ebay.in. So this is my coil. Add in a dash of glue here, just a small little part, and then just very neatly you glue it down, okay, in this way. Now that's done. I'm gonna tell you one more secret. No one else would tell you. There are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 12 dome-shaped curves on your quilling mold. How do you know what kind of a coil goes into what kind of your mold? It's very, very difficult. No one would tell you, but I'm going to tell you. If you are using 6 strips of paper, then you need to count like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this is the part that you need because we are using 6 strips. When you take like 12 strips or more, then you're gonna need 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. But it's not always possible that if you're using 2 millimeter um, quilling strip, then you will need 20 rounds of or 20 strips to make a coil, and then you're just going to push it down. Okay, so you need to see what is the size of your coil and what size of the mold you need. Just because I have taken 6, I'm going to go to the 6th part of the mold, and then I'm going to just put it on the mold, and then I'm going to press the sides, only the sides. You need not push the center, okay? You just need to press on the sides. Like the tighter you push, the better, okay? Just push the sides. Always remember, never ever touch the center. You are only pushing onto the sides. So that's it. There you go. You have a beautiful dome shape. If you want, you can also give it a little shape so that you have this beautiful dome shaped for your earrings. Okay, now once this is done, we're going to glue the inside part of my work, okay? You can use your hands, or like me, if you're messy, you can use your hands, or just the glue um, point to mix it up, but a brush would definitely help. I didn't have it here, so I'm just using my fingers and my glue point. So that's it. Now just let it dry, okay? I'll show you one that I have already done and dyed. For this I used like 8 strips of orange paper and 8 strips of black paper, and this was the size of the coil that I made. I'm going to show you the difference between the two sizes. This one is with 336 and this is with 8816. So 6 and 18 does have a big difference, don't you see? Okay, so I'm going to show you the dome that I used for making this. Not this one, but this one. Yeah. So it was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. On the 10th one, I used 16 strips, not 10. It's not always that you will go for the number of strips that you need for the making of the dome. So what I did was I just put on the coil here, and then I just pushed on the edges so that the center of my piece stays intact, okay? So this is the most important part while making this dome. When I first made it, it was like this. Wait, I'll show you. This was my first attempt. It wasn't as beautiful, and then I made this one. This is more prettier, don't you think so? I also added some stones here. Okay, now to add in your hook, I'm going to show you how to do that. Take in your eye pin, put it into the middle of your jhumka. I'm going to use a small little bead. This is a 8 seed bead, and then I'm going to cut the eye pin with my cutter, and then I'm going to just roll it down, okay, in this way. Add my ear hook, and that's it. there you have my earring. I'll show you the other part here. So this is my beautiful dome-shaped jhumka. If you want, you can add in stones to the edges like this one I did, or you can also add in seed beads over here. Okay, just glue the outer edges of your work, then string on some seed beads and just glue it over here and tie off. Okay, that's it. Well, the problem was I forgot to get the seed beads from my shop, and so I guess I'll have to stop here, and in the next video I will be showing you how to add in seed beads to your jhumka. So until then, stay tuned, make loads of paper jhumka. These are very light and very funky. You can add so many different color combinations like I showed you previously, and that's it. So I'll see you then next time. Have a great week ahead. Take care everybody. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up, and if you didn't like it, forget it. And guys, please leave me a comment, because I actually need your comments so very much. I need to know what people think of my videos. So if you're watching my video, please leave me a comment. That's it. I'll see you next time. Bye.